Life under the shadow of the deadly Ebola virus in West Africa, a disease that has stolen lives, torn apart families and has left survivors struggling. There had been criticism of the initial global reaction to the outbreak. Since the first appearance of the disease in Guinea in December 2013, months passed before the magnitude of the problem was acknowledged. Even though the current outbreak has been one of the worst ever, there is some hope that the effort to tackle the spread of the virus may have helped to slow down infection rate. Last week, fewer than 150 cases of Ebola were reported in the affected areas of West Africa, a drop from its peak in December, where there were about 550 cases recorded a week. Now, over the next 2 weeks, clinical trials will begin in Liberia to determine if 2 new vaccines are safe and effective. Co-developed by a British and a US pharmaceutical company, 30,000 volunteers will take part in the trial, including frontline health workers. The same version has already been tested out on volunteers in the UK, USA, Switzerland and Mali. While many hope this new vaccine will be successful, the World Health Organization warns that the deadly epidemic is far from over. The WHO states that $260 million are still needed to fight the disease over the next 6 months. One of the issues is the upcoming rainy season, which poses a threat in high-risk areas. And failure to combat the virus could result in further economic devastation in affected countries.
We run out of cash in mid-February. That's 4 or 5 months before that virus is going to stop in a best-case scenario.
On Friday, Sierra Leone lifted its quarantine measures, a sign that there is light at the end of this long, dark tunnel. The hope now is that these measures will stop the spread of the virus that has caused so much pain and fear in West Africa. Sylvia, Lennan, Al Jazeera.